here we are with another brand overview video, and I know this is a mess. We're gonna talk about it. So the brand that we're talking about today is Klarity Kosmetics. I haven't purchased a lot from this brand. I've only tried 4 shadows and this small palette, but let's go ahead and talk about it. So Klarity Kosmetics is a small, independently owned brand. Let's dive into the shades first. So these two right here are their shimmer shades. They were $7.50. I got them on sale I got everything on sale for 20% off. These two shades were $10. So these first two, this is Wedding Bells. I like that it has the expiration date on the back, or how long you're supposed to keep it. Wedding Bells is a nice, like, warm yellowy champagne color. Very, very shiny. A little bit chunky, but can smooth out pretty easily. There it is on the back of my hand, and you can see that reflect is insane. This one is Playboy. This is one of my favorite single eyeshadows. It's very silky feeling. It's a light purple with a gold reflect, and it is shiny. Super, super shiny. I'm not sure if you can really see. I'm pretty sure you can. It's just really duochrome and really shiny. I really, really like that shadow. One thing to note though, this shadow I don't think has great swatches online. I think that in real life, it looks really different than the photos on the website. It almost looks silver on the website, but IRL, it's definitely gold and really, really stunning. So I was really happy with the standard shimmer formula from Klarity. This one is Aurora. This is $10. I'm not sure why it is more than the others. It is also a little chunky, but in a different way. This one's almost flaky, but this one kind of like chunks up on your finger as you're swatching it. I'm not sure if you all will be able to see like those chunks, but again, it smooths out on the eyes. You can see when I like swatched it, see that chunk? But again, you can kind of smooth it out. It's one of those like duochrome iridescent shades that's like white, almost like transparent. I guess this one's almost like a little more pinky, but then it has that really strong teal shift in it. I really enjoy this shade as well. I think that this is really nice. $10, maybe a little bit expensive for it, for what it is. I feel like there are other brands you can get this from a little bit cheaper, but I do think it's got a really nice shine to it. Now this guy, this is Vintage Storm. And it came to me just fine. It was not broken at all when it came to me. This is something I've heard from other people. I know a lot of people that got the So Mermazing palette that really took off last year. They've had similar issues with these shimmers. So this shimmer, it seems like there was like not enough alcohol in it or something. And the alcohol in it has completely dissolved, and it's basically, it's a loose pigment, if we're being honest. Like you can see as I push it around, it is completely loose in here, as seen by the fact that it has shattered everywhere. Now, it is insanely sparkly. When I first got this and I put it on my eye, I was astounded because it is so, so sparkly. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I'm not sure, I know you all can see the shine in it, but there are like all of these little sparkles in it. I have an eye swatch video I'll insert from Instagram that I took a while ago when the shade was still pressed, but I'm not sure what exactly happened, but it has become a mess. I'm gonna try to fix it. I wanted to do this video first to show what it actually looks like before I did anything to it, but it's worth noting, you know? So these super sparkly shades from Klarity, while I think that they are beautiful, I would never ever purchase this type of shadow from them again because it's kind of just feels like a waste of money to me, if we're being honest. And I know that I've heard other people have this issue too. I've also heard that their mattes shatter really easily, so I didn't purchase any mattes for that reason. The palette I got was really cheap, $7 for this magnetic 4-pan palette. I like this because it's that larger size. I'm not going to put that in there because, again, it's kind of a mess. But I like that it's a larger size because then I can mix and match like my JD Glow, my Give Me Glow, and my Klarity Kosmetics shadows and create like a little quad. And I think that it's awesome. I like that it has the easy remove like tab in here so that way you can get the shadows out easily. It has a little mirror. It's like solid cardboard. It's good quality, especially for the price. Now here's the thing, right? Would I recommend this brand? I don't know. I want to instinctively say no. If you think about it, this is $10 that essentially turned to dust in front of my eyes, you know? I know that's kind of what all eyeshadow is, but even though these other three I really enjoy, I'm really hesitant to repurchase from this brand because it feels like such a crapshoot on if the shadows will work. I say the best way to know is like their standard shimmer formula seems to be good, whereas these like super sparkly ones seem to be not so good. So keep that in mind if you choose to shop from the brand. I think price-wise, it's decent. I prefer the 26mm pans for a little bit less than these 36. I'm pretty sure these are 36mm pans for more. So I'd rather that they have smaller pans, but compared to other brands, these are pretty much right on track. JD Glow, their shimmers have kind of gone up recently. They're around like $7.75, I think. Give Me Glow is $7, so these are kind of right in the middle, price point wise, for those larger pans. I know that this is a really short one because I don't have a ton from this brand. Let me go ahead though, and before we completely step away, I'll give you some shipping information. Okay, so I have to say, as far as indie brands go, Klarity had the fastest shipping I've ever experienced. I placed my order on July 18th. It shipped out on July 19th and was in my hands by July 23rd, which is pretty impressive as far as indie brands go, or really any brand. It was really fast. Shipping was a little expensive at almost $7. Something I can note about the brand is it seems like they do a lot of flash sales. So they'll just kind of like say, oh, stuff is on sale today, but there's no like correlation really with like holidays or anything like that. It just seems kind of random, but they do a lot of sales. So this is definitely a brand that I would recommend picking up on sale because they do so many. Now, if you want to support them at full price, that's fabulous. You know, with these indie brands, I understand like they're small independent brands. And so, you know, it's up to you whether you choose to wait for a sale or not. But in my experience, it seems like they do a lot of sales. So if you wait, chances are you'll be able to get stuff on sale. That's pretty much all of the information I have about the brand and my experience with them. I hope that it was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments down below, do you have any experience with Klarity Kosmetics? Some favorite shades, some shades that have dissolved kind of like mine did, just general thoughts. Let me know all of that down in the comments below. And until I see you next time, I hope that you stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye!